meet goal 1 of the MDGs, which is to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Just last week, the president of America was in South Africa, and he said very soon America will stop buying energy from Africa. That is, and of course, you remember about 2 weeks ago, the FAO gave Nigeria an award that Nigeria is beginning to achieve, eradicate extreme poverty and hunger with goal 1. And basically, it is through agriculture. So there is a need for us to begin to shift from crude oil to agriculture. So essentially, WAP is supposed to ensure that goal 1 of MDGs is achieved. And of course, it is expected that every core member, serving core member, is eligible to participate in WAP. Whether you belong to SAID, or you belong to HIV/AIDS spectrum group, whether you belong to FRSA or MDGs, you can be a part of WAP. And of course, like you were told, to get the WAP loan, you must have completed your form of intent, which you can get from your schedule officer for WAP on camp, or you download from the website she mentioned to you earlier. That is, there are some information you need to fill on that form that you cannot provide at this campground, like your place of primary assignment. So you don't know where you'll be posted as of now, not until you'll be posted. So you expect that like after a week or 2, you'll have made up your mind on which of the agro-allied enterprises you're interested in, and you can now fill your form either online or through the hard copies that you get from your schedule officers. And of course, like you were told, you need a collateral to guarantee that you pay that loan back. And that collateral is your National Certificate of Service. National Certificate of Service. And you'll be given a letter of introduction in lieu of that certificate. That is, you can as well present that letter to show that you have served and your certificate has been retained because of the loan that you have accepted from NYSC. And of course, the training is a 10 days intensive training on any of the agro-allied enterprises mentioned earlier. And let me tell you this, the funding, your transportation from wherever you are located to Abuja, where the training is going to be held, is going to be paid by NYSC. Your feeding throughout the 10-day period is going to be funded by NYSC, and your transfer back to Lagos or wherever you have applied for will be given to you by NYSC. And of course, you have the liberty to choose wherever you want your project to be located. You may have come from Imo State or from Kaduna State and you're serving in Lagos and you want your project to be situated probably in Kaduna or Imo State. So you have the liberty to go to your state and situate your project in that state. So that's all for WAP. And I must say this clearly, I'm here to actually talk about the benefit of volunteering for the MDGs. Number 1 benefit is that you have an opportunity to build your capacity. You cannot give what you don't have.